Everyone, iOS 18.7.1 has officially came out, and I did go ahead and install it on my main device that I have right here, which is my iPhone 15 Pro. Now, this update was very interesting because it came out the same day as iOS 26.0.1. So it looks like Apple's kind of updating both of these phones in tangent, which is, really nice to see. Now, this update was basically about 286.2 megabytes on this particular iPhone, and that is coming from iOS 18.7. So keep that in mind, it's basically coming in from that previous version, so expect to have a couple hundred megabytes saved up on your device before going through and actually installing it. Now, if we take a look at Mac Rumors and or 9to5Mac, what they actually stated on what this update basically brought, they say it brought this, there was a maliciously crafted font that I guess could lead to unexpected app terminations or corrupt process memory. That has now been fixed and addressed in this update. And I guess there was an out of bounds write issue was addressed with improved bounds checking. So what does this mean? This means that this was a bug fix and improvement type of update. All the things that were brought into this update are basically just random bug fixes, random improvements like that. So whether you're using something like an iPhone 15 Pro, or you're going through using a different type of device, you're going to get small minor improvements that aren't going to you're not going to be getting like liquid glass in this phone or anything like that. All you're getting is just like random bug fixes and random types of improvements. So that's always going to be something nice to basically have inside of a device. So in this case, if you're going through and installing something like iOS 18.7, this is an update I would highly recommend every single person to install. It's going to bring a lot of cool little bug fixes, at least the two big ones that we've seen so far. It's going to increase stability. And this is the version of software that I'm rocking on my current device. You can see right here I have several other iPhones doing battery tests. All these are on iOS 26. I still don't have iOS 26 on my main device because it's just going to have random bugs and random glitches. So that is pretty much a synopsis of this update. Expect a lot more iOS 18.7 updates to come very soon. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.